If you want to waste your time, you should go to Simple CM's channel. There will be content with no meaning and no purpose at all. Like, subscribe, comment below, whatever, and remember, rock on!
Hello guys, kadarating ko lang from work and right now medyo maayos yung panahon, so me and this one look at his hair. So we're walking and it's just all natural hair curls. Duh! So anyway, so we're gonna walk kasi para daw it can help maybe the injury sa likod niya. So he's just been to the physical therapist today and the advice is mag-walking down ng kahit konti lang muna. So yan ginagawa namin and maganda siya today. It's not so cold and it's not so warm, but I'm wearing this because I'm always cold. Ito. Yes.
Yes.
So kadarating ko lang guys and it was actually a long shift. It starts from 6 in the morning and then end ng 4 in the afternoon. So yon. Tapos 3 days akong off na naman. Today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off ko. But Friday, hindi ko sana off yun. Pero may tinatawag kami ditong ferry free. So nilagay ko din doon para 3 days straight na off. So yun. So, ano bang gagawin ko ng aking day off? So, tutulong ako sa aming tiny house. Tapos, ano pa? Yan lang. Tapos, linis. Walking, ganyan. Ganda dito, guys. Very relaxing. Oh, may upo-upo pa pala. Upo muna ako ha. Break time dong. Mga 10 minutes pa lang na nag-walk. Tapos, break time na. So yeah. Ganda des, oh. Nasa lake na kami guys, see? See?
It's not a lake, it's a river.
Is it a river? Oh, a river pala. A river.
Actually a canal.
A canal?
Man-made canal.
Oh, see? Ganda. Tapos ano lang kami dito. Sobrang lapit lang kami dito nakatira. Parang 5 steps. Tapos kita na namin yan. Oh, meron pa palang yan. Pag, malulunod, chorba. So, yun guys, ang aking buhay-buhay today. And, ang sakit ba ng ko? Ng shoulder ba? Tumatanda na talaga ako. So, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Sobrang green, Oh, then pwede din palang kumain dito guys. I will show you. So, yan. Read it.
Madpakkehus.
Yeah, what does it mean? Of course I know, but just say it anyway.
It's like a lunch package house. Like you bring your own
Madpakkehusel.
your own lunch in a brown bag and you eat it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Isn't that so nice?
so nice.
Maybe next time we can. No, there's no next time. It's getting colder. But can we also grill here? It's not allowed, right?
I think it's allowed.
See? So, pwede pa lang magano tayo dito, magdala ng ating own food. Maganda siya pag friends and family, cozy, ganyan, kain dito. Pero feeling ko pwede ding mag-grill dito. Pero alam niyo na guys, medyo hindi tayo masyadong kumukontak ng mga friends. It's because of the corona, hindi pwedeng mag-get together. Pero maganda siya. There, pwedeng umupo. Ko sa inyo yung view. Diyan kami dumaan kanina. Yung umupo ako diyan. Diyan yung lake. Oh, nagbi-video din yung asawa ko Tapos ito. There where you can bring your own food and eat. Dito tayo. Diyan hindi ko pa napupuntahan, parang scary ng konti. There. We go here. Ano pang nandito? May mga mushroom guys, pero hindi tayo mangunguha ng mga mushroom kasi di tayo expert kung makakain ba yan or hindi. Pero madami dito na, oh, then it's already like that. Ah, okay. Not so interesting there. Nope. So, let's go back here. So, talino ng asawa ko, guys. Oy, kaya pala, I thought he was making a video. He was actually taking pictures. Kasi nga, as you all know, nagko-construct kami ng aming tiny house. Sasabihin ko lang tiny house kasi parang mahirap siya explain. But anyway, it's a tiny house. It's a house that's tiny. Nagko-construct siya. Tapos, he's taking picture of those para daw. Because right now, we are doing the roof. Ganyan. So, he's taking picture para magkaroon siya ng more ideas paano ba gawin yon. And by the way guys, yung mga ginagawa namin nagko-construct, both of us wala talagang experience sa ganon, so it's our first time and I like it. It's an adventure and nakikita ko naman na pupulma-pulmang bahay din naman siya. So yun. Oh. Dong, let's go to the other dong.
Oh, so you're going there and going back.
That's it?
So it's like I'm
Okay. Oh, talagang ano lang talaga guys, when I told you it's gonna be a short walk, it's really a short walk. Kasi after dito, papunta na dyan, tapos balik na daw doon sa aming bahay. So, okay lang din naman. Hindi natin siyang i-force kasi first time pa niyang mag-walk after the fall. So, baka ma-overwork natin at magka-problema. Upo muna tayo dito guys and let's chika-chika. Diba guys, last upload ko, alam nyo naman na nadisgrasya yung asawa ko at sa sobrang laki niyan, so syempre yung damage talaga malaki. So, it happened as Thursday and ngayon ay Tuesday na. And nahirapan pa rin siya konti lumakad and masakit pa din, pero he said it's a lot better compare yung mga previous days. So yun guys, and nagpa-physical therapy siya and buti naman sabi wala dang mga sa inside na super damage, lang daw mga muscle lang daw yung nagka-problema. And then guys, I have to say sometimes talaga it's really important not to judge people kasi nga may share ako sa inyo. Guys, dito sa tinitirhan namin, it's an apartment where there's I think 8 apartments na nandun. And then, so syempre, nagkikita-kita, not so much that we're really hanging out with those, not so much na lang, yung parang kinakausap namin yung mga kapitbahay namin, pero hi, hello lang, hindi talaga yung totoong ganun kabanding. Tapos, dyan sa tinitirhan namin, may 2 lalaki diyan na mga na sila, mga pensionist, pero mga pa sila guys, nasa mga 50s ata, ganyan. Yung isa, cancer survivor, yung isa naman parang may problema sa lungs, ganyan. Dahil pensionist na sila, they're sitting there all day and night doon sa labas and they're like best friends. And may mga tattoo sila kasi yung mga bata-bata pa sila in their younger years. Syempre, naging sa atin pa naging bugoy-bugoy ba sa Bisaya. So yun, so yung isa long hair, parang yung mga bad boy ang dating. Pero mababait naman talaga sila pero alam mo yung parang you're just not feeling so comfortable kasi yung isa parang nagiinom-inom ng beer every day. Pero hindi naman yung nagiging drunk, ganyan. Hindi lang, uminom lang, wala namang ibang magagawa kasi mga pensionist na naman sila. So yon, nung nalaman nila guys na yung asawa ko ay na-disgrasya nga, ang nangyari kahapon, yung isa sa kanila tumawag sa amin sa phone. Sabi, ito yung kapitbahay niyo and something like they're asking na may kailangan ba kami or parang is there anything I can do to help out, mga ganyan kung sa nangyari kasi may mga ano bang tawag yan? May painkiller daw siya na kasi naririnig niya ata yung mga agoy-agoy ni Martin. So may painkiller daw siya na pag ininom mo makakatulog ka talaga. Marami silang ganun kasi nga medyo masakitin sila. So they asked Martin if he want one kasi bibigyan daw. Tapos naisip ko lang ba, ang bad ko naman, kasi dati iniisip ko talaga na parang, ano ba naman ang dalawang to? Wala ibang ginagawa sa buhay, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi talaga dapat mag-judge sa, sa physical kasi hindi mo talaga alam kung anong klaseng tao sila. Ang babait naman pala guys, kaya nakonsensya ako ba? Ang babait naman pala talaga. Tapos, nung lumabas ako na lang mag-isa yung namimili kasi nga di kaya ni Martin. Yung tinatanong nila, kumusta daw yung asawa ko, okay na ba daw, ganyan. Yeah, so yun yung chika-chika dito sa kapitbahay. Dapat talaga hindi tayo maging judgmental. 'Di ba? And yung iba nga sabi nila yung parang, alam mo yun, yung looking na bad boy, ganon. Sila pa yung totoong mabait. So yun lang guys, konting chika sa aming buhay-buhay dito. And I think uuwi na kami. Uwi na ba tayo? Are we gonna go home na?
Let's just go to
Okay, what are we gonna do? Go home. How are you though? Let me just interview you. How are you?
Alive.
Are you feeling better?
I feel better. So we need to go now
Why?
because my back is starting to act up again. Let's go. Bye bye. Take care, everybody.
Okay. So you guys, pauwi na kami guys kasi sumasakit na naman daw. So yun, but at least we're able to go out, and even for a short period of time nakalabas kami ng bahay at nag-uupo-upo dito, naglalakad-lakad, ganyan. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope na kayo din dyan sa bahay-bahay niyo ay okay ang buhay-buhay at walang nagkakasakit. Let's continue to pray and do the necessary things para ma-avoid natin yung si corona. So yun, pauwi na kami, lakad naman dito. Ang ganda ng guys, ewan ko ba, don't you think there's some fish there
Of course.
but cannot be eaten?
Of course you can eat it.
Yeah, and then you're dead after
Why?
because it looks dirty.